Hello friends, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is force restart your iPhone. This is a powerful restart that can clear out more system memory. To force restart your iPhone, press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo is appear, and wait for few seconds to set up your iPhone. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is check to make sure your iPhone is not in low power mode. Low power mode can disable some features including the flashlight. To check if low power mode is turned on, go to settings. Here you can find battery, and now you can appear on the screen low power mode. If it is turned on, turn it off to fix your flashlight problem. If this is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is check for any physical damage to your iPhone camera or flash. If your iPhone has been dropped or damaged in any way, it's possible that the camera or flash has been damaged. If you see any physical damage, take your iPhone to an Apple store or authorized service provider to repair your iPhone flashlight or camera damage. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is update to the latest version of iOS. Apple sometimes releases software updates that fix bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, go to settings. Here you can tap on general, and now you can appear on the screen software update. Tap on it, wait for few seconds, and now you can appear on the screen iOS 17 is up to date. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset your iPhone settings. This will reset all of your iPhone settings to their default. So simply tap on settings app, again tap on general and scroll down, and now you can simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now you can see reset, tap on it, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, your mobile setting will be reset and your problem will be fixed. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.